Hello, I'm Peter Towers, Managing Director of ESS BIZTOOLS. Welcome to this update on the October edition of Business Plus. I hope that you're well and that you're looking forward to the lockdowns around Australia being dismantled so that business can get back to normal. In this edition of Business Plus, we have a number of articles that you could talk to your clients about, and hopefully that will give you the ability to be able to generate some additional services with those clients. We've included an article on COVID-19 employment issues, primarily because I suspect that many of you are receiving inquiries from your clients as to what they can and cannot do relative to vaccination policies. I decided to invite Jordan Lowry, the Managing Director of Blackstone Business Company, to talk to us about this whole issue. And just before we recorded that interview, the Chief Executive of BHP in Australia announced the BHP policy. So we use that as the opening commentary, and then Jordan commented on the BHP policy, but tried to make it as it might relate to an SME business. I hope you can utilize that article to help any SME who's having difficulties. Obviously, all of your clients should be talking to their human resources consultants, but many of them do not have consultants. Jordan Lowry has kindly allowed us to publish his mobile telephone number. So if any of your clients would like to make contact with him, they are most welcome to do so. And Jordan has indicated there will not be a fee charged to those clients for that initial inquiry to him. Obviously, if they then commit to go into a process with Blackstone Business Organisation, there will be a fee charged. The other articles concerning directors, and that's very important, especially the new system the government is starting through the Australian Taxation Office on directors' registrations. Application forms are available in November. The Export Market Development Grant applications close on the 30th of November. You might have noted that I used the plural term because there are two applications currently in operation. The first is the grant application in respect of expenditure incurred in 2020/21, which closes on the 30th of November. That's the traditional Export Market Development Grant application. But this year we also have a new application because the government has changed the legislation from 1 July this year. There's a new process on export market development grants. So businesses are being asked to submit their applications for expenditure to be undertaken in 2021/22 by the 30th of November. I think there could be considerable opportunities for you to assist your clients in these application processes. We also have an update on research and development to look at some of the emerging issues. Just a reminder, for your client to claim the research and development incentive rebate, they must be a company. The article refers to a problem that some people are having in that they believe that when they lodge their registration with Oz Industry, which has to be lodged within 10 months of the end of the financial year, therefore normally the 30th of April the following year, that they are accepted by the government into the research and development system. That's not right. Research and development is based on a self-assessment basis. The client has to make sure that appropriate records are kept. And within our system, which is now part of the ESS BIZTOOLS packages, we document very carefully what has to be maintained. The records have to be maintained. And please remind your clients who are contemplating undertaking research and development that one of the key aspects is the generation of new knowledge. And that knowledge must be able to be classified as being developed for the wider Australian community, not just for that one business or that one company. It's an interesting area and one that you might like to talk to your clients about. Our suggestion, read the newsletter before you send it out to your clients, and make a list of the clients that you're going to follow up to have a conversation with about the article, so that you can ring them in 4 or 5 days' time and check out with them if they've got any questions on any aspect of the matters that have been discussed in the newsletter. This is the way to get a start on developing confidence from your clients that you can deliver a broader range of professional services to them. Thank you for your support of ESS BIZTOOLS and ESS BizGrants. I'll talk to you again in the next couple of weeks as we produce Members Alert, and obviously in a month's time when our next Business Plus newsletter is produced. Stay safe and have a great day. Goodbye.